Oh no, I broke my four-wheeler. What am I going to do? Here at Metzinger Welding, we can fix anything. Metzinger Welding welded my four-wheeler back together. Metzinger Welding makes an egg for me.
Here at Metzinger Welding, we weld the best welds you've ever seen. Guaranteed!
Metzinger Welding fixed my ladder. If they can't weld it, nobody can.
Here at Metzinger Welding, we offer many services for you other than welding. We'll fix your farm equipment. We'll work on your trucks. You can even rotate your tires. For you is properly trained in a special field.
I'm an employee at Metzinger Welding. If we can't fix it, you guys sure can't.
Metzinger Welding. For service, call 219-380-6136.